set of snows coming through the northwest, but above about 5,000 or 6,000 feet, Washington Cascades and on into parts of the Bitterroots, you could run into some snows hiking, so be on the lookout for that.
Welcome to the greatest show you've ever known. Got that blade like get your gold. Got that eye like Madara hoe. Kicking down the damn door like who the fuck want the smoke? I'm burning slow, I'm off that glow. Fuck with me, you dying low. In the coat, stupid little fucking roach. Got that green, take a toke. Fucking up the stupid bloke. Got smoke, tie the rope. Shipments cross the fucking boat. You all know, fuck the code. I'm so frozen like I'm snow. They call me RazorShadow ho. Got that slow mo like a crow when I'm hunting down bodies ho. Hollow ghoul hunting fools. Don't you fuck with none of my goons.